Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smart band. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smart band, your band needs to be paired with your phone via the Honor Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your phone and the Honor Health application to send the notifications to your smart band. And to do it, we need to open the Honor Health on our phone that is paired with our smart band. In the app, we need to find the device icon and tap on it. Select our Honor Band 7 from the list of devices. And here we need to scroll down, find the option called Notifications. And once you find it, tap on it, and then try to turn on the notifications. If you try to turn them on and you don't have the required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will see the pop-ups on the screen. Tap on Enable. It will direct you to this page. And here you need to find the Honor Health on the list. Tap on it, tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access, tap on Allow, and then go back to the Honor Health application. And as you can see, we need to allow more permissions to do it. Tap on Go to Settings. It will redirect you to the App Info. Here you need to tap on Permissions, and you need to allow call log, contact, phone, and SMS, I believe. So call logs, tap on it, tap on Allow, contacts, allow, phone, allow, and SMS, allow. And once you're done, go back to the app and you should be able to turn on and turn off the notifications without any more pop-ups. And now we can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps, as you can see. For example, if you enable the notifications for Discord and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your smart band. If you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your smart band, so you will see it only on your phone. So enable the notifications for the apps you like. And once you're done, it should be working. One thing to mention is that if you want to receive the notifications from the messages, you need to enable messages right here in the menu. Also, check if there is phone on the list. But I don't see it, so maybe the phone calls will work by default. Okay, let's go back. And now we should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And we got the notification on our phone. Let's check our smart band. And we also have it right here, as you can see. So it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.